Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Simon. I'm going to show you how to use our online library catalog to place a hold on books that you would like to check out from the Prescott High School Library. The first thing you need to do is to email me or stop at the library desk to request a login and a password. Once you have a login and a password, you can use Surpass to place a hold on books. This will work out really nice if you are doing all of your learning from home. So go to the Prescott School District website, select our schools and the Prescott High School, select Library Media Center, and then select Surpass Online High School Library Catalog. It would be a good idea once you get to the home page to bookmark it or save it to your favorites so that you can skip the step of going to the school district website. This is where you log in, and I will have given you a login and a password. And you will log in. Once you're in, you'll see that your name appears up here. You have the ability to create lists of books, and I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to search an Ember in the Ashes, and here's my result list. An Ember in the Ashes is the book that I would like to read. I can just click and add it to a list that will stay with this account until I take it off. If I want to place a hold so I can check it out, click on the title, and this is where you get all kinds of information on the book, but you can see that it's available. If there was a due date here, you would know that the book is checked out. From here, I can still add it to the list, or I can select hold. And it's telling me that there's a copy ready for me to pick up, and it will be held until I cancel it. I'm going to hit hold, and now that information will go to me or Mrs. Severson, and we will pull the books so that you can check them out. If you are not on site and you are learning from home, please let us know how you would like to pick up those books. We can leave them in the office, or you can pick them up in the library. That will have to be by appointment only while we're still doing hybrid. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. You can email or stop and talk to Mrs. Severson or I. Have a good day.